Welcome back to Giggle Thinkers! Are you ready to play and learn? Introducing gardening through planting and caring for simple plants. Let's giggle, guess, and grow together! What do plants need to grow? B. Sunlight. What do you put a seed in to help it grow? C. Soil. What do you use to water your plants? A. Watering can. What color are most healthy leaves? A. Green. Which one is a vegetable you can grow in a garden? A. Tomato. What part of the plant grows underground? B. Roots. What do bees help flowers do? C. Grow and make seeds. What season do most flowers start to bloom? C. Grow and make seeds. What do we call a tiny baby plant? B. Sprout. What's something fun to find in a garden? A. Worms. What should you wear on your hands while gardening? A. Gloves. Which of these is a flower? A. Rose. What kind of weather helps plants grow? B. Snow and wind. What helps a seed become a plant? B. Light, water, and soil. Why is gardening special? B. It helps things grow. What tool helps you dig holes in the soil? B. Shovel. What do you call a garden where vegetables grow? B. Veggie patch. What's a fun bug you might see crawling on a leaf? A. Ladybug. What do flowers do when the sun comes out? C. Open up. Why should we pull weeds from a garden? A. To help plants grow. Thank you for watching Giggle Thinkers. Make sure to subscribe for more learning and fun.